Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Amazon FBA versus dropshipping with Shopify detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up Amazon FBA, start by creating your Amazon seller account. Choose between an individual or professional account based on your needs. Once your account is active, research and select the products you want to sell. Use tools like Jungle Scout or Helium 10 to identify profitable niches. Source your products from reliable suppliers or manufacturers. Ensure the products meet Amazon's guidelines and quality standards. Next, create your product listings on Amazon. Write compelling titles and descriptions using relevant keywords. Upload high-quality images that showcase your products effectively. Now, prepare your inventory for Fulfilled by Amazon. Label your products according to Amazon's requirements. Ship your products to an Amazon fulfillment center. Once Amazon receives your inventory, it will be listed for sale. Track your sales and manage your inventory through the Seller's Central dashboard. Switching to dropshipping with Shopify begins with creating your Shopify store. Choose a unique and memorable name for your store. Set up your online store by selecting a theme that fits your brand. Customize your store's layout and design to ensure a user-friendly experience. Integrate dropshipping apps like Overlo or Spocket to find products to sell. Browse suppliers and select products that align with your niche. Import these products into your Shopify store with descriptions and images. Establish your pricing strategy, considering costs and competitor prices. Set up payment gateways to ensure smooth transactions. Launch your marketing strategies using social media and ads to drive traffic. Monitor orders and customer interactions through Shopify's dashboard. Fulfill orders by coordinating with your suppliers to ship directly to customers. Analyze your store's performance and adjust your strategies as needed. Whether you choose Fulfilled by Amazon or dropshipping, measure your success. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.